At the moment, I'm looking for a DevOps automation engineer who is going to focus on infrastructure automation. The team is mainly responsible for software lifecycle management automation with the help of BladeLogic and scheduling with the help of UAC. The daily jobs are building the virtual private infrastructure from scratch to a fully configured and functioning infrastructure, creating and maintaining the software package deployment process, and maintaining the software lifecycle management and scheduling infrastructure for security patches and new versions of run scripts. Supporting other teams during deployment if there are some errors is also part of the job. In bigger perspective, what we do is migrating our legacy workload into a fully IAC compatible way. IAC stands for Infrastructure as Code, broadening our technical knowledge, documenting, integrating and sharing the workload with other teams. As for the requirements, we are looking for an ideal candidate who is a system engineer or a DevOps engineer with strong scripting skills such as Python or Bash or PowerShell. We are also looking for software lifecycle management automation tools such as Ansible or Puppet or Chef. And what you also need to have is CI/CD pipeline management tools such as Jenkins or Bamboo. Git version control and collaboration tools are also necessary for this job, such as Bitbucket or GitHub or Azure DevOps. And system engineering in Windows and Linux environment is also necessary for this job, and we also require some experience in a large corporate environment, as well as eager to learn attitude, fluent English, and you will also have to provide 24/7 support, and you will need to be ready to take on-call duties.